G'day, Jeff from the country. I fixed all the channels along the side here. I'm using 1.6 steel. Apart from that, I have to use car bonnets. Yeah, spot welded the plates on. I've found more rust, so I cut it out. I'm going to put plates underneath and weld it from the top. Coming up pretty good. Got a few pieces to put in right on the edge here. Cover that. The same on the other side. Chip away, chip away, chip away. I'll show you what I cut out. This stuff here was underneath, but because I'm going to sit probably my fridge and whatever on top of the wheel arch, I'll have to put the strength back in. But getting there, getting there. And this is the stuff here that makes it all possible. Turns the rust black. And I coat all that before I put pieces in, and yeah. Alright, catch you later. Yeah, I don't know why this is, but I keep finding it. This is what I found under a couple of little pop riveted plates they put on. Yeah, so I prepped all this to put the plates under there. And the funny thing is, this was the first one that I fixed. It's about four patches on that. And the other side will be the last one. How ironic. Yeah, that's all cut out now. Tacking these in today. The plates are just bend this up and putting them underneath. Look at that, beautiful.